Hello everyone. So today we will use the MKV tool next to remove the English audio file and save us some storage by using this technique. So firstly download this tool from the official website. Then after opening it, add source file, and let's suppose I have to remove the English audio of this file. And right now we can see that currently its size is 657 MB, 657 MB. So now I have to remove the English audio because I do not want English audio, I just want Hindi audio. So do it start multiplexing and it will process in some time. So here you can see the check part means that it will merge these all things. So this is the video, this is the audios, these two, and these are the subtitles. So if you do not want any of the audio or any of the subtitles, you can uncheck that and then start multiplexing. So our video has been processed. Now if we see, so here you can see that this is 657 MB and this is 616 MB. So the size has been reduced by removing the audio from it. Now if I want to extract the English audio, so how can we do that? So firstly right click here, disable all items. So after disabling all the items, you have to check the English audio. Then start multiplexing. By this method, you can extract the audio from a video. So it will take some time. And now the audio has been successfully captured. Let's play it. So here you can see that audio has been extracted from this video. So this is the MKV Toolnix, which is very great tool to merge the audio video or merge other videos files or audio files or extract particular audio or videos. Thank you.